he's either gonna gain I'm gonna go e4. He's either gonna gain where am I going? He's either gonna gain 20 points and be like 2800, or he's gonna lose 20 points and be 2760. One way or the other. All right, we're playing Gucci Reza here. Bring the queen back to e2. Can obviously just trade and play knight f6 and the game heads towards a very boring draw. I mean, I might go e5 here. If he plays bishop e7, I'm probably going to play e5. Definitely going to play for knight d2 and f4 logical, as expected. I think I'll go h4. It's not the only move, but... Oh, right. He's going to go over this cheesiness with bishop h6, right? Still not so bad for me, though. Trying to use this nice light square B on the long diagonal. I might have had this against Hans, actually. Decent chance I had this against Hans. 5 bishop h6, knight d2, followed by f4 actually looks kind of good. Bishop g5, bishop h6 takes with knight d2. I actually... Oh, wait, if I go here, he has queen b4, but I literally don't care. I have c3 or knight d2. I can also take. If I take, and then go knight d2... Oh, but that's wrong. Okay, I have to go here. Because if I take, and then... if I take, and then go f4, he trades, and knight jumps to e3. Remove this? Castles, that's not the move I expected at all, actually. I think I'm better here, but proving it's going to be very tough. Do I castle or do I play f4 right away? I'm going to castle and go f4. Maybe I should have traded and gone f4 too. Hard to judge. Okay, he goes king b8. So now it's a matter of do I play f4 or do I trade and play f4? My instinct is to just play f4, so I'm going to trust my instincts here. Can also take with the f pawn. He's going to take. Do I play g5 or do I trade bishops? Also tough. There's also bishop d... No, bishop d7, he's got bishop d5. What are you smoking? I take, he just takes g5. Assume I should take. Could also take with the f pawn. It's actually not obvious what I'm supposed to do here. I think... It's weird. I actually think I'm supposed to take... It's so weird, but I think taking with the f pawn is correct here. I'm going to go for... I think this is correct. It feels weird to capture away versus towards the center because I could have the little snake with all 7 pawns connected. What is that? Oh, he's got knight c7. Oh, I missed that too. But still, I should be better here. I can just trade. I didn't see knight c7. I thought I just won the game. Getting too cocky before the game's over. Go here. There's also knight c4. I mean, this is a very, very good position for me. I should win this position. I should. I mean, it's like a good Queen's Gambit decline on the other side of the board. Like rook f6, knight d6, knight e5. So many ideas here. I should win this game. And I'm up on clock. This looks very bad for black. Very, very bad. Now I have this move. I've got this move. I mean, I feel like we're near the situation where Alirez is getting crushed. He's in real danger here, I think. Real danger. Not kind of danger, but real danger. What he does. Yeah, that's what I expect him to play. Wait, do I go knight e5? I can also just go knight f7. Actually, wait, this is just losing. Wait, I just have knight f7, I win. I thought rook c7 takes queen d6 was fine, so I was calculating what I was thinking, but I can actually just take with the horse. I mean, he can sack, but that can't work. I have too many pawns. I have rook e6. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. He can obviously take a2, but I have knight d6 at the end. Yes, there we go. Yeah, it's just GG. Get the win.